How's it going, everybody? So with Black Friday just around the corner, GVGmall reached out and wanted me to inform you guys of the massive specials that they are currently running on a lot of their software, like their Windows 10 Pro OEM or even their Office software. So GVGmall is an official platform that does sell official Microsoft software like their Windows 10 packages and also Office programs, which we know does get quite expensive. So if you are on a budget, this is definitely something that you need to check out, especially if you're building a nice gaming PC. But not only that, for all of the gamers, you are also able to buy game keys, in-currency game golds, items, prepaid cards, and also they do sell game CD keys for all of the larger platforms like Steam, Origin, Uplay, and other PC titles. But also for the console gamers, you are able to get a PSN prepaid cards or Xbox prepaid cards. For the PC gamers, Windows is usually the thing that you think lost of or even sometimes forget to buy when you are building a new PC, and you would rather spend all of your hard-earned money on getting higher end components to be able to play games at higher FPS. Well, luckily GVGmall is here to save you because they do sell all of these Windows software and Office software for a lot cheaper. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get a copy of a Windows 10 Pro OEM for under $15. That is honestly a massive saving right there. And all you need to do is use my coupon code WDT20 to get 20% off. And also this coupon does apply to other software as well, like Office, other Windows software, and you can just test it out and see if it works on some of the other games as well. After that, you just need to select your preferred payment method, either with your credit card, PayPal, or other options as well. Once you have purchased your Windows 10 Pro copy, all you need to do is use the new code that is shown in your purchase order, or even it can be mailed directly to you. Then you just use the new code to activate your copy of Windows, and honestly, that is it. It is that simple, and it's not going to take up a lot of time or a lot of your money. GVGmall is honestly a really simple way to get your Windows or Office software without needing to pay too much. And I know a lot of you guys have used GVGmall before from my link, so if you guys wanted to get some more, then definitely check them out in the link in the description. Massive sales that they're going on, so if you want to save some money, check them out. And also if you just want other stuff as well, check them out in generally for that. Also, just remember to use my coupon code WDT20 to get that 20% off, not only on a Windows 10 Pro OEM license, but also on a lot of other software as well. So follow that down there as well. But now that's pretty much it for my video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. A big thanks to GVGmall for sponsoring this video. And then I will check all of you guys next time. Cheers, guys.